feel the car.
Yeah, holy cow. What did you do? That is incredible.
Secret.
Hey, what's up everybody? We're over here at Scott's shop. This is the 85 or 84? I forgot which one this was.
I've seen so many.
It's an 84. This one's an 84 300 CD. Lapis blue, really cool color with 92,000 miles on it. Beautiful coupe, and let's talk to Scott. All right, so I can see Scott's got everything taped off. He's got the buffer down here. So you've already been got the antenna taped off, all the trim taped off. Looks like you've already done work on the front of the car.
Yeah, I mean, I sanded the car yesterday.
Here, let me come over here so they can see you. Let me show them there we go. Look how nice that paint has come out there. But yeah, so what have you done on this?
I started sanding it yesterday. I sanded the car down with 1,000 and then 2,000. And then started buffing it out, and then I've been buffing my brains out all day trying to get this. I've done the first stage of the buffing.
Okay.
And then I'm going to be moving on to the next stage of the buffing. And then I'll pull all the tape off and do the final finish on it.
And it looks like I see there's some compound also on the trim.
Oh, that's just because the wheel is so big.
Okay.
But
so we'll be buffing the trim. You can see there's still compound on the vehicle here, and there's none up here. And this really came out, yeah, that really came out nice. And I think you said you started cleaning up here on the grill.
Yeah, I cleaned up the grill a bit and
polished
the Mercedes emblem and the top of the bumper.
Oh yeah, that looks nice. Oh, and you got the top of the bumper.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks.
Chrome polish.
All right.
And then once I get done with all this, I'm going to re-wash the car again. When you sand a vehicle, it creates a mess when you're sanding on them.
It looks really nice though. The finish came out great.
You get such a nice finish on the car. It's worth the effort, and makes the car look so much nicer.
Yeah, and I'm taking the dash out of here and redoing all the wood, putting in a replacement dash because there's a couple of cracks on this dash, one there, and one there. So that's all going to come out. And then you're polishing the chrome and doing the exterior stuff. So this is coming along nicely. And you guys can see back here, you see all the compound, buffing compound that's on here. So he's going to go ahead and move to the back.
I'm going to go over the windows too.
I'm so excited to see it tomorrow. It's gonna look so nice. Nice. Scott's getting all around the car on the undercarriage. We use this stuff, we call it bleach white. I guess it's pronounced bleche white, but we've always called it bleach white, and it works fantastic for cleaning around the rear and under the sides of the car and stuff, the wheel wells. So while he's finishing that up, man, this thing came out fantastic. He sanded, buffed, polished, waxed, all of it, and this thing is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm gonna get it back to the shop after this. I'm taking out the dash, I'm redoing the wood trim, all the vacuum pods. Yeah, this car is going to be fantastic when I'm done with it. Only 92,000 miles on this lapis blue coupe. Pretty incredible car. The chrome trim came out really good too. He actually polished all the trim, and it looks really nice. Anodized aluminum. Oh, the wheels came out great. How's it look down here?
Much, much better.
Oh yeah. That looks really nice. Yeah, that looks really nice.
Clean up the exhaust and stuff a little bit. Do the back
That exhaust is really good condition.
back side of the wheels.
Yeah, that looks great, man. Yeah, this is the stuff, guys, that works great. We always call it bleach white. I mean, I guess it's bleche.
Blush white.
Bleach white. We've always called it bleach white, and that stuff works fantastic for just about anything wheel or suspension related. Scott's are also gotten down here in the wheel well. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, look how clean that is in here. Looks fantastic. Let's go look at the front one. And remember, we've already done all the suspension, so you can see it's all brand new suspension components. Yeah, look how clean that came out in there. Absolutely beautiful condition. Man, I love that color. It looks really good in the sunlight. All right, guys, we're back. Scott is done. Scott, you were just telling me something about the glass.
Yeah, the glass had acid rain, water spotting.
Oh, okay.
And I polished and refinished the glass so it's as smooth as the car.
Nice. Oh, wow.
Feel the car.
Yeah. Holy cow. What did you do? That is incredible.
Secret.
Wow, man. Let's look at that reflection. That is incredible.
Okay, so the final step after I do the 3 steps of buffing and polishing is basically I use Meguiar's products.
Yeah, Meguiar's
I
great.
don't use any special super high dollar crazy stuff. You know, I mean, I don't care what they say about all this other stuff on the market, but it works fine. A good finish should last you, if it's not run through a car wash and kept indoors, should last a good 7 months. The water will bead up for a good 3 months, but there's still protection on there. The more you take a car through a car wash, the more damage it does to the finish.
And the sealant is
The sealant is that I use is Meguiar's, and it's a quasi ceramic polymer sealant that they make, because just about everything says ceramic on it now. So,
but that's what gives it that final.
well, I do that, and then I do one more thing, but I'm not going to tell anybody.
That's the final Scott
the final
secret.
Is my little secret. So,
okay.
but it's this
Whatever
thing,
that last step is that makes it feel so smooth. That's the amazing part. And guys, he won't even tell me. So you guys are never going to find out. So anyway, man, I really like this color. Yeah, this color looks really, really good. Guys, I'm picking it up. We're heading back to the shop. I'm going to take out the dash, do all the work behind the dash, vacuum pods, you name it. I got to clean up the interior, and then she is going to be ready. Like you saw in the other videos, there was already, gosh, I had Stan do $5,700 worth of mechanical and suspension work, so all of that is fully sorted. Front crank seal, water pump, all the bushings, all the suspension, shocks, I mean, you name it, it was all taken care of. And I'm also going to detail the engine compartment. Hope you guys enjoyed the detail video for this car, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.